Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Priya Brahmo. We are here with you today to show you the festive mood of Kokrajhar on the occasion of Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the biggest festival of Hindu Bengalis, which they celebrate with pomp and gaiety. Eastern Paradigm has visited multiple puja pandals to witness this festival and to share the joy of the people. Durga Puja is not just a religious festival, but also symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. It commemorates the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon Mahisasur. This aspect of the festival serves as a timeless reminder of the eternal battle between virtue and vice. Day is marked by specific rituals and practices which include offerings to ancestors, welcoming the goddess, and worshipping various deities. The elaborate ceremonies and scriptural recitations add depth and meaning to the celebration. The festival involves social visits to elaborately decorated pandals, which are temporary structures built for hosting the puja. These gatherings not only serve as places of worship, but also as hubs for social interaction, community bonding, and appreciation of art and culture. Durga Puja goes by different names, including Durgotsava and Sharadotsav, emphasizing its regional and seasonal significance. The festival marks the changing seasons from autumn to winter and has profound cultural roots in the Bengali community. Durga Puja is a grand and elaborate festival, and the preparation and celebrations involve significant economic activity. The construction of pandals, purchase of idols, decorations, and the influx of tourists contribute to the local economy. Over the years, Durga Puja has evolved with the integration of modern elements such as artistic themes and innovative pandal design. This adaptation reflects the festival's resilience and its ability to stay relevant in changing times. The celebration of Durga Puja in Kokrajhar, which is not traditionally a Bengali stronghold, highlights the coexistence of various religious communities in India. Durga Puja is not just a religious event, it's a community celebration. That's all for today, and we will leave you with these beautiful visuals of the puja. For more news update, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.